What's going on, everyone? It's ggkickzz here, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. Today, as you guys can see, we're going to be reviewing the Yeezy 350 V2 carbons. These did have another name before. I will show you guys on the box. It has a different name, but for legal reasons, Kanye decided to change it, or Adidas decided to change it, whatever. They decided to change the name to the Carbon, and good, because I couldn't even pronounce the name it had before. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys press that like button, that sub button, and also turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. Because why would you want to miss another video, bro? Let's go. I'm going to be showing you guys men's size and GS size, even though it's kind of the same thing, but whatever. I have a size 6 and I have a couple 10s, so you guys are going to see the differences, my opinions on Yeezys and which sizes look better, this and that. So let's take a closer look now. Okay, so here's a close-up on the box. As you guys can see, I got a size 6 and a size 10.5 side by side, and these were called the Azrael. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. These were called the Azrael before. Yeah, I don't even know, whatever, bro. Whatever that name is, that's what they were called before, but they changed it, and I guess they didn't have time to switch the labels, so they just sent it out like that. Anyways, so Yeezys for some reason just look very, very nice in a smaller size. So the size 6 I got here again, and it just looks like, you tell me which one looks better. There's no really big differences between the two sizes. Like in Jordans, they don't downgrade the quality for the smaller sizes. Same quality, same boost. In the sneaker community, we call these base sizes because it's the size that your girl would normally wear. These are the ones that do sell for more. So I would be able to sell these size 6s for $320, and I'd probably right now be able to get like $260 for these. And it's very confusing, you know, because it's like, kids don't have money. People that would fit into this size wouldn't really have money. Like, let's say if it's a size 6 and he's like a 10-year-old or whatever, 10-year-old boy, like, you know. But I guess in the sneaker community, the resellers just put it that way because a lot of people like to buy Yeezys and match with their partners, their couples. So the resellers tax the heck out of you guys. So this shoe is literally still bricking. So this shoe, I really wouldn't call it a brick, just because Yeezys just do good over time, man. Like, you got to give it time. You can't expect Yeezys to just go up, shoot up just like that. The hype isn't really there like that anymore. And plus, the fake market is literally just destroying Yeezys. But you could just tell, man. That's why I'm gonna make it an effort to try to educate people on fakes and to not buy fakes, because that's just no good, no bueno, man, no bueno. But yeah, I'm gonna try to educate you guys on some fakes and how to tell the differences. I don't have any at the moment, so I don't really know when that will be, but I definitely want to educate the people that live in my town, man, because this town is infested with fake Yeezys. Now, did they know they were buying fake Yeezys and did it on purpose? I don't know. Did they get ripped off? I don't know. But it seems to me like a lot of people just aren't educated on how Yeezys are actually supposed to look. If you literally send me a picture and the shoes like this, I'd be able to tell if it's fake or not. But that's just from years of researching. Hopefully I can pass down that information for you guys. So for the review, I'm actually going to use the size 6 just because it looks better and it's smaller. All over the upper is just prime knit. Yeezys are simple, man. You just got the yellow sole with the boost, great boost. You can feel that, very texturized. Some of the fakes don't have that. You just know, man, it just feels a lot more squishier. These actually came with an extra pair of laces. These are coming just lace locked like this, so in order for you to tie them, you just gotta pull there, and that's pretty much it. You can cut that off and relace them with extra laces that it brought in the box. Let me know what you guys think about that. I personally don't mind since they add the extra laces, but I can see that being a pain in the neck for people who just want to wear the shoe and not have to relace it, because relacing could be kind of annoying. With Yeezys, you could do like a lot of cool customization on your laces anyways, so that's going to lead to more originality, more different ways to wear the shoe other than just normal. So I actually kind of like it because they're doing something really never seen before on a mainstream shoe, which is just like lock the laces. But Yeezys anyways usually do fit true to size. People always like to buy them true to size because it's a very comfortable shoe. Let's take a look at the back heel right here. It's nothing crazy, man. If you guys know Yeezys, you guys know it's been the same for years already. This is the V2 version, and really nothing much has changed. So we got that yellowish tint all over the midsole here, and this was the breaking point for a lot of people on this shoe. They didn't really like it because of this, but over time I know this is definitely a shoe that's going to grow on a lot of people. This is definitely a shoe that's going to go up in value because it's a black Yeezy. History repeats itself. If you know the sneaker game, you guys know that this was a good buy. I've seen some people saying that it wasn't a good buy. Some people sold them too quick. Sucks for them. If you were able to hold these, you guys are gonna make your money back. When these released, it was actually rumored to be 500. There was crazy numbers going around. I heard 550,000 stock. But when the release date came, a lot of people were taking L's. That just goes to show that you cannot listen to the rumors. Get your leaks from trusted sources. Follow my page, ggkickzz, and I'll have you guys informed on a bunch of shoes, Yeezys, Jordans, Air Forces, all of that on my channel. The outsole, same thing, that yellow tint, and then you got your boost underneath it. Nice textured boost lettering on the bottom of the heel here. Nothing too crazy on these shoes, guys, nothing too crazy. So overall, in Yeezys, I'm gonna be giving these a 9 because this year there's been some really wacky colorways. You could never go wrong with black. You could pretty much wear these with anything. If you guys do get these, I suggest you get some sole protectors. That's a plastic that you just heat on it with a gun and with a heat gun, and it protects your soles, so you just take them off, prevents yellowing, all that good stuff. Not sponsored yet, but if a company wants to work with me, hit me up and I'll promote your product. So like I was saying, an all black it is kind of all black compared to the releases that we were getting this year, and they released it closer to the end of the year, obviously, because they knew it was going to be a banger. But this shoe kind of bricked. It's sitting, is not doing that well. It's doing better than the Zions, obviously. In my opinion, these look better than the Zions. But yeah, all black shoe, you can't really go wrong. The bottom is what really separates people. If they would have gone with a black midsole, this shoe would have been doing a whole lot better right now. But since it decided to go with this yellowish tint on the bottom, a lot of people aren't feeling that, and it's understandable, you know. In December, we're gonna be waiting for those 350s back. They're gonna re-release again, and I have to get a pair, bro. I sold the last one I used to have, so I need it again, and I'm not paying resale. If you guys made it this far into the video, I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because you gotta stay alert, bro. You gotta be noti, gang, so you know when my videos come out. I'll see you guys in the next one.